Good morning, grade 4. Hope you all fine. We all know that we have five senses to identify the surrounding environment as humans, okay? These five senses are hearing, smell, sight, touch, and taste. So the question is, do you think animals have the same five senses? The answer will be yes. You have known that animals have sense like those of humans, but in animals they can use more than one sense for more than one purpose to adapt to their environment. So in general, we can say this animals have sense like humans. Some animals have sharper sense of hearing, for example, or sight, for example, and this to communicate with each other or to adapt to different environment, okay, and survive. Deal? So, in this picture, humans can listen to the music through the organ of hearing, which are the ears. In this picture, second picture, owls have extraordinary sense of hearing and sight to be able to find their prey in the dark. And the third image is about dog, known for their ability for hearing. So dogs have very sharp sense of hearing and smell. Therefore, they are used in gardening. That's why we use it in garden. Also, this cute creature called the Egyptian mongoose makes a sound that spread information to other mongooses to move from one place to another place, searching for food. Dolphins. Dolphins have super sense that help them to survive and to search for food and also to protect themselves underwater. And this sense is hearing. And the most sharp sense that dolphins have is the sense of hearing. They can hear all sound tones. Can you imagine this? Actually, this is very important to them because this is the way they can find their prey. Okay, so dolphins use this property, which is known as echolocation, that depends on echo to detect the location of other living organisms and objects in the water. Let's see.
In basic terms, a dolphin's echolocation works like this. The animal produces a series of low and high frequency sounds that are transmitted through its forehead. After these sonic waves hit an object, echoes bounce back. The greater the distance, the longer the delay in their return. When the dolphin receives the reflected signals, it forms a mental image of the target's location, size, and speed.
So again, echo is the reflection of sound waves back from a solid surface, which here is a fish or something, to its source. The source is a dolphin. Sound produced by dolphins travels in the form of waves that we call it sound waves. These waves moves until it hit the object, then return back or bounce back to dolphins in the form of echo. And this helps dolphins to locate their prey. Watch with me this video. It's about echo also, to more explaining about it.
This place is called Echo Cliff. Holly! Deidre! Cameron! Yoo-hoo!
Okay, this also called echo. its sound waves come out from a man and it just repeated. And that's because it's bouncing or returning back to the man and we can hear the voice again. It's also an echo. So now, can you tell me what sense do we use here in this picture? Yes, right. First one, we use hearing. Second, touching. Third, taste. And the last is smell. So tell me about these animals. Yes, great. The fox that we studied before, like fennec fox and arctic fox, both of them have excellent hearing because of the shape of ears, and this was a structural adaptation. So a fox uses hearing and sight sense to avoid danger. Also, chameleon, we said before, the eyes of chameleons moves separately and every eye moves in a side, different side, okay? So a chameleon uses its sight and taste to search for food. As we can remember, chameleon has very long sticky tongue. What about dog and monkey? Think about it and tell me. Yes, dogs use smell and sight. Monkey actually use all five senses like humans. It can use all the five senses, hearing, touching, taste, all of them, like humans, to identify objects. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.